Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have studied about child slavery, how the children are refrained from various rights, basic rights, and how they are made to work for personal profits in developing nation. And we also studied about how Kailash Satyarthi was affected by all these things which were happening around him, uh, was deeply affected by all of these, and how he was affected by the cobbler's child who was unable to go to school because of his parents' poor status. While in the further years, he started the Bachpan Bachao Andolan along with a magazine Sangharsh Jari Rahega, and he's also started a movement traveling across 103 countries and nearly 80,000 kilometers, which resulted in the adoption of International Labour Organization Convention 1822, one of the worst forms of child labor in 1999. So Kailash, now we'll start from this paragraph. Kailash Satyarthi was instrumental in setting up the Good Weave International Foundation, a network of non-profit organizations aiming to end illegal child labor in the rug making industry. Okay, so Kailash Satyarthi played a very important role in setting up the Good Weave International Foundation. It was a non-profit organization. Non-profit organization means an organization which doesn't earn any kind of profit. What was the aim of this organization? This organization aimed to end illegal child labor. So basically what happened, in the rug making weaving industry, okay, weaving industry means materials which are weaved, okay, so there are most of the workers over there, laborers over there were child labor. So what was the aim of this international foundation? That they aim to remove the illegal child labor in the rug making industry. Rug means the dari, okay. Kailash fought tooth and nail to create awareness about the extensive use of child labor and exploitation in the industry, to raise the stakes for the industry and to encourage the industry to manufacture rug without the child labor. Okay. So Kailash fought very hard to create awareness about the amount of to create awareness for the amount of child labor used by these weaving industries and the exploitation these industries cause to the children. Uh, and he also encouraged the industry to manufacture rugs or any weaving material without the use of any kind of child labor. Kailash was also deeply pained and affected by the inhuman behavior meted out to manual scavengers or harijans by the upper class. Okay, so further along with this child labor, Kailash was also very much felt very bad or affected guilty about the inhuman behavior that the upper class people behave with the lower class people, basically the harijans. Harijans are the manual scavengers manual scavengers means who pull out the waste of humans through their hands, okay. They go to the septic tanks and all these things, and they pull out all the dirt or waste of humans through their hands. They are called as the manual scavengers. So he was very much upset on seeing the behavior the upper class people had with these manual scavengers. The upper class people considered them as untouchables. In the year 1969, the birth centenary of the father of the nation was being celebrated, and political leaders across the spectrum were making pro-poor speeches full of passion, idealism, and sympathy. Okay. So the upper class people considered these manual scavengers as untouchables. And what happened in the year 1969, on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, all the political leaders throughout the country, they were giving very big speeches regarding the poor people, regarding the great works they are doing for the poor people, and they gave speeches full of passion, idealism, and sympathy. Full of passion means they were giving speech as if they wanted to work for the poor people, they wanted to make an equal community for everyone, and all those kind of speeches they were giving, the political leaders. This fascinated the 15-year-old Kailash, who wanted to become a politician to cure the vices of the society such as untouchability and child labor. So during this time, Kailash was 15 years old, and by looking at the speeches given by the political leader, he also became very much fascinated, impressed by the political leaders, and he also wanted to become a politician. He wanted to become a politician so that he could remove the shortcomings of the society, the bad things of the society, the negative aspects of the society, such as untouchability and child labor. Right from his childhood, Kailash had in his mind to remove all the negative aspects of the society, and some of them were important aspects, such as the untouchability and child labor. The Harijans in Vidisha were not allowed to enter their homes through the front door, as they were considered impure. As a tribute to Gandhiji, Kailash decided to use his idealism to turn in the favor of the socially excluded class, and organize a community dinner where food would be prepared and served by Harijans in a clean and hygienic environment. Okay. So what happened in Vidisha, the hometown of Kailash? The Harijans were not allowed. Okay, they were not allowed to enter in their houses only. In their own houses, they were not allowed to enter through the front door. They were allowed to enter through the back door, as entering them through the front door was considered as impure. So, as a tribute to Gandhiji, as Kailash was a big devotee, you can say, a disciple of Gandhiji, as a tribute to Gandhiji, Kailash decided to use his idealism to turn the tide in favor of the social excluded class and organize a so he for Gandhiji, Kailash wanted to give a tribute to Gandhiji, and he used the same idols which were used by Gandhiji, so that he could do something in favor of this lower class people. So not lower class. Lower class is the wrong word. We can say socially excluded class. Okay, they were excluded from the society. That's why socially excluded class. Okay, so he tried to do something which which would work in the favor of उनके favor में काम आता, socially excluded class के favor में काम. So what did he plan? He planned to do a community dinner. Where in this community dinner, what would be do? He planned an event of a community dinner, so that in order to improve the condition of the socially regions in the society, he planned a dinner. In this dinner, what would have been done? The food would be prepared and served by the Harijans, that is the manual scavengers, and they would prepare this food in a clean and hygienic environment. People from the upper caste and local political leaders were invited as guests to partake the food and spread the message of social equalities. Okay, so Kailash decided of this event, and he invited the upper class people and the local political leaders in this event, so that they could eat the food and eat the food which was prepared by the Harijans over there, and so that they could spread the message of equality in the society. Many leaders and upper caste people gladly accepted the invitation to participate in the event. However, members of the Harijan community were very skeptical about the success of the function. Okay. So when Kailash went to invite this upper class people and the political leaders, they very happily accepted the invitation, and they assured him that they will surely come to the event. But the people of the Harijan community were very doubtful that whether this function or event will be successful or not, because as they knew how the upper caste people discriminated against them, and they considered them as untouchable. After a great deal of persuasion, young Kailash managed to convince a few ladies of the community to prepare food for the. After a great deal of pressure, means after requesting the Harijan community a lot, then young Kailash managed to convince a few lady of the Harijan community, so that they could prepare food for this occasion. Kailash and his friend had mobilized funds for this event, with which they purchased staples and vegetables for the event. Slowly, minutes turned to hours, and soon it had become quite dark, and not a soul turned up for the dinner. So Kailash and his friends had made arrangements, had arranged fund for this event, and with this fund, they prepared purchased some staples. Staples means the basic food: rice, flour, pulses, and all those things. They purchased the basic food items and vegetables for this event. And after preparing those food, they were waiting for the guests to arrive in this event. Slowly, minutes went away, then hours went away, and it was quite dark, and not even a single person came for this dinner. Kailash and his friends were more disappointed than the Harijan community. The hypocrisy of the political leader and the society at largely was clearly exposed. Okay, More than the Harijan community was also very upset, but more than the Harijan community, Kailash and his friends were more upset than them. Okay, and the hypocrisy of the political leader means the double standards, you can say, the double standard. As you in their speeches, they talk about equality and poor people and all those things, but on the other hand, they don't support such kind of events where we could prevail a condition of equality in the country. So the hypocrisy, double standards of the political leaders was also exposed. Political leaders and the society was also very much exposed by this event. This made young Kailash furious. A disappointed Kailash and his friends had to consume the food prepared for the occasion well past midnight. Okay, so this event made Kailash very angry, and Kailash, who was very disappointed, Kailash and his friends, who were very disappointed, had the food which was prepared by the Harijan community after midnight. As Kailash put the first morsel in his mouth, disappointed was a writ large on his face, and he cried inconsolably. Okay, as Kailash put the first bite in his mouth, he was very much disappointed. Disappointment and the failure of the event, and the disappointment because of the failure of the event could be seen in his face, and after that he cried a lot. The very fact that such an initiative was taken by Kailash during the society was well appreciated by the Harijans. Okay, but the initiative or the effort done by Kailash and daring the society, challenging the society, was appreciated by the Harijan community. When Kailash went back home, he saw a furious crowd of upper caste Brahmin gathered in front of the house. His family was humiliated by the upper caste Brahmin. Now, after consuming the food prepared by the Harijans for the event, Kailash went back home, and when he reached home, he saw that in front of his home there were a lot of upper class Brahmin people gathered over there, and they were fighting with Kailash family. His family was insulted by this upper caste Brahmin people. They also thundered that Kailash had committed an unpardonable sin and that the whole family would be excommunicated. Okay, so they also said that Kailash had committed such a sin that which could not be forgive, and the whole community should be excommunicated. Excommunicated means to officially, कहते हैं ना, गांव से निकाल देना या जात से निकाल देना, something like that. Okay, so they had to be excommunicated. After a heated dialogue, the upper caste community ordered his family member to disown Kailash and shift him to a separate room in the backyard of their house, and or face social boycott by the society. He was instructed not to enter the house from the front and was given separate utensils. So after a heated discussion between the Kailash family and the upper caste Brahmin, so the upper caste people, what did they order to the family members of Kailash? They asked Kailash to disown him. Disown means मतलब वो बोल देना कि आज से ये तुम डिसोन कर दे रही, हमारा कुछ नहीं लगता, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, डिसोन कैलाश एंड आस्क्ड कैलाश फैमिली टू शिफ्ट कैलाश टू अ सेपरेट रूम in the backyard of the house, or if they don't do all this thing, they will be boycotted by the society. Okay, so Kailash, his family agreed with the conditions of the upper class people, and so Kailash was instructed that he could not enter the house from the front, and he was given separate utensils in a separate room in the backyard. He tossed around the whole night in the dark and dingy room for the rest of the night. His anger at the feudal society and political class knew no bounds. Okay, so when in the night, in the Kailash went to his separate room in the backyard, he moved around the room throughout the night for the rest of the night, and he was very much angry on the society and the political class people. He made up his mind that very day that he did not belong there and did not want to be associated with such a hypocritical community. Okay, so that very day Kailash made up his mind that he don't want to stay over there, and he doesn't want to stay connected with such kind of society, hypocrite society, double standard society. He was miffed that the community and his family had made him an outcast and decided to forsake his surname. A few years later, he dropped his family name and changed his surname to Satyarthi, a seeker of truth. So Kailash was very angry at the community and his family people, so that as they had made them an outcast, in मतलब उसको जात से बाहर निकाल दिया था कि अब ये ब्राह्मण नहीं है, ठीक है, and he decided to remove his surname. After some years, he removed his family surname and changed his surname to Satyarthi, a seeker of truth. Seeker of truth मतलब सच की खोज में, ठीक है. Thus a shining star born. So after that, a shining star was born. So thus Kailash got his new surname Satyarthi. Actually, his surname was Sharma, Kailash Sharma, but after this incident, he changed his surname to Kailash Satyarthi. In the last 35 years, Kailash Satyarthi has successfully rescued over 83,000 children and adults from child labor, trafficking, and other exploitative situation in India. Okay, so in the last 35 years, Kailash Satyarthi has rescued 83 children and also adults from child labor, various types of trafficking, and various type of adverse situation which are facing in India. His interventions have positively impacted the lives of thousands of children working in industries such as carpet weaving, bangle making, circus industry, agricultural labor, stone quarries, and big kilns, beside domestic child servitude across the world. Okay, so his involvement also have impacted and created a lot of impact in the child labor work, in working in various industries such as carpet weaving, bengal making, circus industry, agriculture, and big kilns, and also has found also add up take child as domestic servants. So his impact, he all these practices of Kailash has created a deeply impact on all this industry, and the number of child labor have progressively decreased because of the interventions of Kailash. For his exemplary contribution to the society, was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. For his phenomenal contribution, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 2014. In the recent years, two of his initiatives drew the world's attention to the issue of child slavery. One of them is 100 million for 100 million campaign, wherein he endeavors that 100 million privileged youth and children across the world supports their 100 million. Okay, so in the past years, two of his movement have gained a lot of attention, and one of them was 100 million for 100 million. So what happens in this 100 million, that in in this 100 million for 100 million campaign, 100 million children who are privileged, who belong to good families and all those things, well, good family, good parents, and well to do, financially stable, they support another 100 million students. Each children supports one another. Each children who is not well to do, is not from a good family, who doesn't have any financial support. So this 100 million for 100 million campaign also attained a lot of movement in the past years. The second one is 12,000 kilometer Bharat Yatra from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, which led along with the child abuse survey. Okay, the second movement which also gained a lot of world's attention was he did a 12,000 kilometer Bharat Yatra from Kashmir to Kashmir to Kanyakumari, which held along with him were the child abuse survivors. The movement received unanimous support from civil society organization, politicians across party lines, bureaucrats, celebrities, and faith leaders, and led to the Union Cabinet approving the Trafficking of Person Bill 2018 in February 2018. Okay, this movement, 12,000 kilometer Bharat Yatra from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, got a lot of support from various organizations, politicians, bureaucrats, celebrities, and because of this movement, what happened, the Union Cabinet approved the Trafficking of Person Bill 2018 in February 2018. With each milestone, Kailash Satyarthi works harder to live up to a promise he once made to him. I will see the end of child slavery in my lifetime. So with every such achievement, Kailash Satyarthi is working hard to complete the promise which he made to himself, that I will see the end of child slavery in India. I will end the child slavery in India. So he is working hard day and night to end child slavery in India. This is the promise which he made to himself. Watch The Price of Free to catch a glimpse of his journey on a noble mission. So you can watch the movie The Price of Free so that you could understand, have a glimpse, झलकी, ग्लिम्स में आपको एक झलकी मिलेगी उसका ग्लोबल मिशन, उनका जो मिशन है, उनका जो इतना बड़ा मिशन है चाइल्ड स्लेवरी, अनटचेबिलिटी को हटाने का, उसकी आपको एक झलकी मिलेगी इफ़ यू वॉच द मूवी द प्राइस ऑफ फ्री. आई होप यू ऑल आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.